This is a brand new Porsche 356 Speedster. This is not a restoration, this is a brand new car. I recently drove the wrecked 356 to the All Porsche Swap Meet in Chino, California. There's a link in the description to a full build series for this car. There was no shortage of beautiful 356s on display at the swap meet. It was really a great meet. And of course there were lots of parts for sale, and even a few cars for sale, just like you would find at any good swap meet. But the highlight for me was getting to see this. This is a brand new Porsche 356 Speedster. Restoration Design has spent the last several years remaking every single metal panel for this body. I was told they scanned 6 different cars, no 2 of which were alike, and they used those scans to develop the templates to press out each and every panel for this car. Just look at this thing. It's amazing. There are currently only 2 of these bodies in existence, but you can be sure there will be many more to come. With real Speedsters selling in the $300,000 to $400,000 range, and fiberglass replicas selling in the $30,000 to $40,000 range, the real question is, where does this car fit in? It's only a matter of time before somebody pulls the VIN off of a rusty Speedster, slaps it onto one of these, and lists it for sale. The question is, how much will it be worth? I've owned a few replicas over the years, and they're very fun cars. They're just a Volkswagen drivetrain with a fiberglass 356 body on top. But that's not at all what Restoration Design has built here. They've built an actual 356. This car uses all genuine Porsche driveline components. This is an actual 356. It was just made in Canada instead of Germany. According to their website, they sell the kit in 3 phases. The first phase is about $28,000 assembled, and I've read that it's about $50,000 for the complete body. I'm not sure if that's assembled or not. The real question is, once you've had one of these cars built, or you've built it yourself, what do you have? What are you left with? Is this a real 356 Speedster? Is it a replica? Tell me in the comments what you think. If you're part of the Save Them All crowd of the 356s, what do you think of this? While you're pondering that very deep question, I'll leave you with some footage from the cars at the swap meet. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching, guys.
Busy.
Almost. It wasn't really. Like I kicked out. So I was told I'm not doing as good as don't need somebody's requirements. Oh, yeah. No, okay. Yeah.